Welcome to the magical world of Bohemian decor, where style meets soul. In this video, we'll explore how you can transform any space into a warm, cozy, and creative boho sanctuary. From living rooms to bedrooms and DIY ideas to earthy color palettes, everything you need for a soulful home is right here. Let's begin. Bohemian decor is free-spirited, eclectic, and inspired by art, culture, and travel. It embraces imperfections, mixes textures and patterns, and celebrates individuality. You'll see natural materials, vintage pieces, cozy fabrics, and layered elements, all expressing personal taste and creativity. Let's start with a living room, the heart of your home. Add layers of cushions, patterned rugs, rattan furniture, and earthy tones like rust, beige, and olive. Hang macrame on the walls, light some incense, and let natural light in. A lived-in, soulful feel is key. Your bedroom should feel like a dreamy escape. Low beds, warm-toned bedding, and ambient lights create that boho calm. Tapestries, fairy lights, and indoor plants like snake plant or pothos add magic. Personal touches like books, crystals, or travel souvenirs bring life into the space. Boho is best when it's handmade. Try these DIY ideas: macrame wall hangings, painted terracotta pots, or vintage frame collages. Use driftwood for shelves or recycled glass bottles for candle holders. Imperfection is the beauty of boho style. Bohemian color palettes include earthy hues: terracotta, mustard, olive, cream, and indigo. Texture is everything. Think woven baskets, chunky throws, jute rugs, and linen curtains. Mix tribal prints, florals, and embroidery to create contrast and depth. Plants bring the boho vibe to life. Use hanging planters, leafy greens, and clay pots. Incorporate wood, cane, jute, and even stones. Natural elements ground the space and connect your home to nature. To complete your boho space, add things that reflect you. A vintage mirror, handmade art, a cozy reading nook, whatever speaks to your soul. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us, which corner of your home will get a boho makeover next? See you in the next video.